In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a promo code on Stubhub. To get started, open the Stubhub website in your browser or launch the Stubhub app on your phone or tablet. Once you're there, sign into your Stubhub account. It's always a good idea to log in first, since that helps make the checkout process smoother and ensures any eligible discounts can be applied properly to your purchase. After signing in, search for the event you want to attend. This could be a concert, sports game, comedy show, or any other event available on Stubhub. When you find the listing you want, choose your preferred tickets. Take a moment here to make sure the section, row, quantity, and pricing all match what you want. Once you're ready, click Buy Now or proceed to checkout, depending on what appears on your screen. Next, you'll be taken to the checkout area. This is where you should review your ticket details carefully before moving forward. Double check the event date, ticket quantity, and any pricing information shown on the page. When everything looks correct, continue to the payment page. On the payment or checkout screen, look for the area where you can enter a promotional code. Depending on the version of the site or app you're using, this section might be labeled promo code, discount code, manage promo code, or add a code. The wording can vary slightly, so just scan the page carefully if you don't see it right away. Once you find that field, type in your valid Stubhub promo code exactly as it was provided. This is important because promo codes often need to match perfectly, including letters, numbers, and any special formatting. After entering the code, click Apply or Add. Now check your order summary to confirm that the discount has been applied. If the promo code is valid and your order qualifies, you should see the updated total before you complete payment. If the price doesn't change, make sure the code was entered correctly and that your tickets meet any conditions tied to the promotion. Finally, if everything looks good, enter or confirm your payment information and review your full order one last time. This final review helps you catch any mistakes before submitting the purchase. When you're ready, click Place Order or Complete Purchase to finish buying.